Let's take a look at problem number 5. Find the equation of a line in standard form that is perpendicular to this line and contains that point. So let's refresh our memory on our steps. Find the equation of the line given a perpendicular, or a line is perpendicular to. It is perpendicular to and a point it passes through. Step 1, find M. And within that, we're going to write the given line in slope-intercept form. Identify its slope. And see, perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. So M is the slope from B flipped and sign changed. Step 2. Plug in the given point for x and y and the M from 1c into y equals mx plus b and solve for b. And step 3, write the answer. Okay, so let's work this one. So it's perpendicular to 9x plus 8y equals 4. And it passes through the point -3, -4. Step 1, find M. It says write the given line in slope-intercept form. So we got 9x plus 8y is equal to 4. Slope-intercept form means solve for y. So I'm going to take the 9x over to the right side. You take anything across equals, the sign changes. So that becomes a negative 9x plus 4. Then divide everything by 8. And we get y is equal to negative 9/8x plus, and that simplifies to 1/2. Not that we need it, but okay. B is identified slope. If it's in slope-intercept form, your slope is what's before the x, which is negative 9/8. Now C says perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals, so M is the slope from B flipped and sign changed. So what that means is we start with slope from B. So start with slope from B. We're going to write it in fraction form. Now, this one's already in fraction form, so we didn't have to do anything. But if we had 5, for example, you'd put 5 over 1. Then we'll flip it. So top goes bottom, bottom goes the top. This is a reciprocal. And then we're going to change its sign. It was a negative, so it becomes a positive. So the M we're trying to find is going to be 8/9. Now, it's pretty easy once you get going with these because you just, if it's in fraction form, flip it, change the sign. Okay, step 2. Plug in a given point for x and y and M from 1c into y equals mx plus b and solve for b. Well, remember that it says it passes through the point -3, -4, so that'd be my x and that'd be my y. So y is -4. M we said was 8/9, and x is -3 plus b. Well, 8 times -3 is -24/9 plus b. And that reduces. Top and bottom both divisible by 3. That gives me -8/3. So -8/3 plus b. Take the -8/3 to the left side, becomes a +8/3. This is a mixed number. We'll take -4 times 3, which is -12, plus 8 gives us -4/3 equals b. Let me double check that. -12, -4, yeah. Now, third step is to write our answer. Typically, writing our answer means plug in our m and b we just found. Well, we said m was 8/9, and b was -4/3. Now, specifically in this problem, I don't really like this form, but they say write it in standard form. Standard form means get rid of any fractions to begin with. So I'll multiply everything by 9 to eliminate the fractions, the LCM of all their denominators. So when you do that, that 9 cancels that 9. 9 and 3 both divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we're going to have 9y equals 8x minus 12. Now, a lot of books will have all the variables on one side and number on the other side. And specifically, they like the first variable alphabetically to have a positive number before it. This book isn't like that. They're happy with negatives before the x part. So I'm going to take the 8x over the left side, and we got -8x plus 9y equals -12. I should say this came out of an old test bank. -8x plus 9y equals -12. Looks like B is in Bill. Is our answer.